हेलो एवरीवन। आज क्लास 12 सीओडी ने जो असेंबली परफॉर्म की है, आई थिंक सो उनकी जो परफॉर्मेंस है इट वाज रियली मार्वलस। तो मैं ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा, तो देखते हैं क्लास 12 सीओडी ने आज क्या परफॉर्म किया है।
Own thoughts and thinkings, but one's thought can make a day of another's person. So here is Rishika to give thought of the day.
Everyone, today thought of the day is practice like you never won, perform like you never lost. I repeat my thought. Today thought practice like you never won, perform like you never lost. Thank you.
Do you know why is news important for us?
Well, news is that part of communication that keeps us informed of changing events, issues, characters in world outside. So Kanishk is here to deliver today's news headlines.
To all of you present here, I, Kanishk of Class 12, am here to acknowledge you with today's headline. New Delhi records 13,067 fresh COVID-19 cases with one fatality. The government has set up a timeline to commercially roll out the first indigenous chipsets by 2023 to 24 under Digital India RISC-5 program. The Minister of State Electronics and IT said that Digital India RISC-5 DIR-5 program aims to create future generations of microprocessors that will serve the needs of India's strategic focus on mobility, computing and digitization. Flagging concerns over likely misuse of cryptocurrency, Finance Minister Sitaraman has said India will take a considered decision on regulation around the virtual currency. Fertilizer subsidy hike costing exchequer 60,000 crores in lost tax gets thumbs up from cabinet. Some states did not reduce local taxes on petrol despite centre's excise duty cut, says PM Modi. Several parts of eastern India are grappling with a power crisis as peak demand in states sees a sharp rise as a sweltering heat wave. The Union Cabinet has approved financial support for 820 crore for India's post-payment bank. LIC kickstarts largest IPO in India. IPO set to open on May 4. Price band likely to be 902 to 949 per equity share. Domestic shares on Thursday and stocks across the board rallied as risk appetite improved globally on the back of upbeat technology earnings in US. The 30-share pack Sensex advanced in line with the peers across the Asia, rising 700.67 points as 1.23%. Its broader peer Nifty also advanced 206 points, 1.21% higher due to reclaim 17,200 mark. The rupee opened on a weak note versus US dollar as the global wave of risk aversion amid the COVID cases in China and fears of aggressive Fed rate hike sent investors rushing to the safety of the greenback. The US dollar rallied to its highest level since March 2020 on Monday. And have a nice day, mates.
Opportunities to change the mood, but you will never get opportunity to replace the words you spoke. So Kush is here to express his power of words.
Hello everyone, my name is Kush Goyal and I am a student of class 12D and I am here to express my words on the power of words. I believe in the power of words. Many people speak before they think, but I know the value of words. The words can make you, break you, they can heal your soul, they can damage you forever. So I always try to use positive words wherever I go. They call it adversity, I call it opportunity. They call it weakness, I call it strength. They call it arrogance, I call it confidence. They call me disabled. They call me disabled, I call myself differently able. They see my disability. They see my disability, I see my ability. Words are the biggest reason why a person succeeds in the class and fails in the race of life. A few words of love and affection can make a big influence to your personality. So at the end, I would like to say, always try to use positive words wherever you go.
Between goals and accomplishment. So here are students of class 12 to perform a play on discipline. Goal, teacher centers in the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Please sit down on your seat.
Let's take attendance. Roll number 1, present, ma'am.
Roll number 2,
Present, ma'am.
roll number 3,
Present, ma'am.
roll number 4,
Present, ma'am.
roll number 5,
Present, ma'am.
roll number 6.
Present, ma'am. May I come in?
No. Roll number 7,
Yes, ma'am.
roll number 8,
Present,
Why are you so late?
मैम गिर गई और लग गई।
कहाँ गिर गई और कहाँ लग गई?
मैम बेड पे गिर गई और आग लग गई।
Shut up. जल्दी खड़े हो जाओ। प्लीज तुम क्यों लेट हो?
मैम दे दिया,
क्या दे दिया?
मेरे गाय ने बछड़ा दे दिया।
Shut up. उनको मारो जाके। Okay, so let's start chapter number 1 of mathematics. 2 into 2 is equal to
in the class।
2.
मैम
क्या हो रहा है?
मुझे धक्का दे दिया।
Shut up and go back to your seat.
कहाँ बैठे मैम?
मेरे सर पर। सीट पे बैठो जाके।
सॉरी मैम।
2 into 2 is equal to Jasmine. Very good. Next is 4 into 4 is equal to.
मैम,
Yes.
I have a question.
बोलो।
मैम कैंटीन में क्या बना है?
मुझे पता है।
सॉरी मैम।
पंच में बताइए मुझे 4 into 4 is equal to. खड़े होके बोलो।
4 एकम 4, 4 दूनी 8, 4 तिये 15, 4 चौके 20। मैम 20।
20 होता है।
यस मैम।
ये तो 6th क्लास के बच्चों को भी पता है। 6th क्लास 4 into 4 is equal to. ऐसे। Shut up. बैठो नीचे। Shut up. अलग-अलग बैठो तुम दोनों।
At the last
Next. Now कल से आपके एग्जाम्स है। सारे बच्चे अपनी तैयारी करके आना।
bell rings during the time
कोई बच्चा चीट नहीं करेगा। अपने अपने पेपर में ध्यान रखो।
क्या सबसे ज्यादा तो मैंने लिख रखा है, कम से कम नाम और एडिशन नंबर तो लिख रखा है। नालायक।
मैं नहीं बता रहा।
जैस्मीन, जैस्मीन।
मैम प्रीति डिस्टर्बिंग मी। प्लीज क्या चल रहा है ये सब? खड़े हो जाओ। अपनी आंसर शीट दो और बाहर जाओ क्लास के।
Exam over. Time of result declaration.
So first goes to Kush Goyal.
क्लैप करवा दो सबसे।
Please clap for him.
Well done son, I am proud of you.
Second position goes to Lakshay. Please clap for him also.
शाबाश बेटे, proud of you son.
Third position goes to Jasmine Kaur. Please clap. बोलना ना पड़े आपको. Well done. Remaining students are also passed, but दो नालायक बच्चे क्लास के जो फेल है. First is Preet Sahi.
फेल हो गया तू? ये शर्मा बेइज्जती का तो कराना देना मेरी। ਜਦੋਂ ਵੇਖੋ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜੂਪੀਟਰ ਕਦੀ ਇਸ ਮੋਲੇ ਕਦੀ ਉਸ ਮੋਲੇ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਖੁਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਆਈਫੋਨ ਅੱਗ ਲਾ ਦੇਣੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਫੋਨ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ 90% ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਵਾਂਗਾ ਡੈਡੀ ਜੀ ਆਈਫੋਨ ਦਵਾ ਦਿਓ 12 ਪ੍ਰੋ ਮੈਕਸ ਘਰ ਚੱਲ ਪੁੱਤਰਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਦੱਸਾਂ
Now second बच्चा जो फेल है वो है वंशिका गोयल.
ये क्या है? बस पूरे दिन फोन चलवा लो, टीवी दिखवा लो और सुलवा लो। पढ़ने को बोलो तो इनका ये मुंह फुलवा लो। तुम चलो घर, तुम्हें तो मैं बता।
Oh my dear friends, what do you think? Class ऐसी होनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल indiscipline. If you are in discipline, you will achieve all successful in your life. On other hand, if you are in indiscipline, you have to face many problems in your life. Thank you.
Wonderful. Ask Kenji Parikoshik and Bhumi Kurana from 12th E. Please come on the stage.
बच्चों हमारी ये शर्मा शर्मा करताली